Greetings from Allen's Duct Systems Incorporated to all New York City laundromats. Allen's Commercial Laundromat Duct Exhaust Cleaning. Trusted family-owned service for laundromats in NYC. Our services include duct exhaust cleaning, removing lint, grease, and debris to reduce fire hazards and improve airflow. Maintenance and inspections. Regular servicing to ensure efficient operation and compliance with local codes. Violation removal and inspection. Stickers. We resolve city-issued violations and issue official inspection stickers after cleaning. Why choose Allen's? 24/7. Service. We're available anytime to minimize disruptions to your business. Expert technicians. Our experienced team uses the latest tools and techniques. All boroughs covered. We serve laundromats in Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, and Staten Island. Fully insured and family-owned, offering reliable, safe, and personal service. For a clean, safe, and compliant laundromat, trust Allen's. Call us today for a free consultation or to schedule your next service. Mrs. Allen, 9117-930-5887. Allen's Commercial Laundromat Duct Exhaust Cleaning. Cleaning with care, service with integrity.